Buenos dias, I'm Nigel Marvin from Animal Planet. I love Guatemala! Our documentary Wild Guatemala with me, Nigel Marvin, will be shown all around the world in 50 or 60 countries. I'm hoping that people will say Guatemala is a fantastic destination, and also I'm really looking forward for the people in Guatemala to see a film about their country so they realise what national treasures they have. Wild Guatemala will be finished on the 1st of December. It will then start going out all around the world in 2020, and it will be shown for the next 3 or 4 years. So I'm sure it's going to be a big boost to the ecotourism business in this country. Guatemala is a fantastic country. I've enjoyed everything. The Mayan sites are fantastic, lots of brilliant wildlife. Antigua, what a wonderful city. No wonder it's a World Heritage Site.